Hi everyone, I'm Zoe from eSurvey. Today we are going to unbox our VE90 unmanned surface vehicle and get quick ready before we using it. Before installation, those things that we need to prepare. You can see there are three positions for the antennas. The left and right side is for image transformation and remote control, and middle one is for the radio communication. This is positioning antenna, and this is directional antenna. Those are gently provide the heading guidance for the USV. And this is video sensor with a transparent cover. And the bottom of the USV is a millimeter wave avoidance radar. This is our remote control handshake. This is our batteries. And you can click the button. You can see the power it has and ensure you have enough power before your study work. You can see the two black antennas is for image transformation and remote control. The gray one is for radio communication. The middle one is our radio connection antennas, and you can choose to install it or not as you need it. After you open the hatch, you can see our control systems, depth sensor, and the battery. First, we just need to place the end of the battery, and we have automatic snapping mechanism. It will automatically lock the battery. And we have the design to prevent the incorrect connection. Just simply plug in the cables. Now we open our remote control and open our eSurvey software. After installation, we power it up. We need to short press the button following the long press. And now you will hear 4 beeps. Now we started our route plan. And choose one scenario. And also you can decide your survey area according to your previous trajectory. And you can decide or adjust the parameter as you are needed. You can say they are the heading angle and others, and upload your mission to the USV and double check the parameter. If okay, click Start Mission and the USV will start work.